Hi, I'm Doug Hornbeck, Vice President of Operations and GM for AAI. We manufacture sheet metal parts and components for 15 different divisions. The name of the game, make your quality parts on time.
My name is Alberto Romero. I'm plant manager here in Associated American Industries. We develop metal fabrication parts for our industry, for our corporate. We handle somewhere from 13 gauge to 24 gauge, and we do all sort of manufactured parts and light assemblies.
These parts normally goes to the laser weld. So we have a part. In this operation, we need the TIG welding. We used to TIG welding the corners, the 4 corners. After that, we put this to the laser weld, and we are be able to weld this pretty quick with a better quality because this part is gonna be exposed to the customers. This is a laser weld and just polishing the corners. So we reduce the amount of time on the polishing process because the laser weld was much better than TIG weld in this particular case.
If we compare any other weld with the laser welds, these are a lot cleaner, will give us consistent welds, and it will give you efficiencies not only on the welding timing or on the welding operation by itself. It will travel on into polishing, blending, cleaning, since it will be consistent, it will be really clean since the beginning, so you will have productivity increases on secondary operations as well.
I'm Alejandro Gutierrez. I'm the quality manager of the plant. Once you have a good setup, you can be using the same setup for 100 parts, 1,000 of parts. Every day, every week, and every month, because the program will be the same for all the parts.
Laser welding is not complex at all. It's actually the totally opposite. We have found that we have needed to train welders for TIG or MIG or any other type of welding through a sort of period of time. Now that we have the experience with laser welder, anybody could be a welder. It's actually really easy to operate. When you have the good conditions, you'll have a really good straight lines, clean welds, so anybody could be your welder. Being able to rely on having a robot always available for us or for you, it does provide an impact. Who is welding is a robot. Yes, we can have a more continuous flow regardless of the employees that did show up or the experienced employees that did show or did not show that day.
Before move this part, you will see some of the TIG weldings in the corners. Just like that. And it's missing all the weld that goes in that side and in that side and all this front area. So that part is gonna be made by the Cobot with the laser weld.
So regarding quality, we expect to deliver the best quality to our customers. One of the challenges that we have is having clean welds, consistent welds, and we have the challenge of heat distortion in our metals. Now with new technologies that we can go to laser welds, and which provide us less heat, less distortion, so that obviously increases productivity and will help us to speed up our process and provide quality to our customers.
With a TIG welding all the way long to here, and make the parts sometimes tweak a little bit because excess of heat. And also it's gonna be kind of difficult for the operator. Now we move our operation to the Cobot, and at the same, we still using the TIG welding just to put those 2 little tags in here. And then in one step, the Cobot take the laser weld and seams this completely in one step. Much faster and better quality at the end.
Adding the robot to our laser welding gave us consistent welds, a consistent heat spread throughout our metal, and the ability to get same quality really repeatable for our customers.